We recommend watching the entire video before proceeding with the assembly and installation of the printer to carry out the entire process in a continuous manner. Use protection when handling inks, as they are corrosive. Turn off and unplug the printer before handling any components. We present the unboxing and installation of the UV-DTF InkOne UM3 printer. We begin by opening the box and taking out all the components. Next, we remove the printer's seal. Then, we proceed with assembling the printer's stand. First, we assemble the stand's legs. Then, we attach the wheels, ensuring they are firmly secured. Once the two legs with wheels are assembled, we connect them using the bottom bar. Next, we place the printer's supports. We then assemble the top bar. After that, we install the supports for the rear and front rolls. We add the base for the waste tank. Finally, we place the printer on the stand and secure it with screws. To finish, we install the support for film B at the front of the printer. We locate the print carriage lock and remove it by first unscrewing the two front nuts, followed by the two top screws. We connect the power cable and turn on the printer using the rear button. If the printer does not turn on, we check that the emergency stop button is not active by turning it clockwise. Using the left arrow, we center the printheads, turn off the machine with the front button, and remove the printhead carriage protector. Then, we turn the printer back on. Now, we'll install the films. Here is a diagram showing the film path. First, we place film B. We turn the nuts on both sides to lift the hot rollers, and then we feed film B. Next, we feed film A, which can be white or transparent. To identify the top and bottom, we can use stickers as a guide. The printed side is the underside of the film, so once it is fed, we separate the top layer from the bottom layer and temporarily stick the top layer. After separating them, we feed the bottom layer of film A so that it merges with film B. We then adjust the nuts to regulate the roller pressure again. Once the bottom layer of film A has passed through, we pick up the temporarily stuck top layer and feed it through the upper roller to roll it onto the external winder. We connect the network cable directly from the printer to the computer. It's important to have a direct connection and use a gigabit network card. Now let's install the driver. First, we insert the silver USB drive containing the Hosensoft driver. We create a folder on our computer named InkOne. Next, we copy all the USB contents to this folder. Then we safely eject the USB. We go to Windows Security Settings. We click on Virus and Threat Protection and then Manage Settings. We add the InkOne folder to the antivirus exclusions. Once done, we return to the InkOne folder and extract the compressed file contents. We locate the printexp file and create a desktop shortcut. We open the program. If your interface is in another language, you can change it. To do so, go to the last tab and select the last option. This will open several buttons. Click the second one. In the Language tab, select your preferred language. To apply the changes, close the program and reopen it. Now let's configure the IP settings. Click on Advanced, then on Net Settings, select TCP, and set the IP to 192.168.127.25. Click on Set. If the connection turns green, it means it is successfully connected. Now let's fill the inks. Shake the white ink bottle well for at least 30 seconds before pouring it into the tank. Carefully fill the ink tanks, paying attention to the colors to avoid mistakes. Then, remove the screws from the ink distributor to take out the dampers. Remove the white ink dampers and set them aside. Using a syringe with a plastic needle tip, extract the air from each damper. The small amount of ink extracted should be discarded. Ensure that when removing the syringe and reinserting the damper into the printhead, there are no ink leaks that could reach the printhead connectors or other electronic components, as this could cause a short circuit. Do the same with the white ink dampers. Then, reattach the support for the white ink dampers and reinstall the dampers.
We go to the controller to do a head test.
Click on Settings and then on Load Ink. Click Stop after 30 seconds and wait 5 to 10 seconds. Click Load Ink again. Click Stop after 30 seconds. Then, clean the injector. It is recommended to perform a normal cleaning first and then a light cleaning. Click Check to print or click Adjust. Click Nozzle Check. Click Print Adjustment. There are broken holes, oblique lines, and color areas. A clogged injector might be the cause. Cleaning is required until the ink injector is in optimal condition. Now, connect the silver USB containing the RIP and install the program. At the end of the installation, it will ask for the dongle, which is the other blue USB. Insert it. Once inserted, open the program. Change the unit of measurement to centimeters and set your preferred language. Next, we install the driver. Click on the printer button and select Import Printer. Find the driver in the InkOne folder we created earlier. The file to import has the extension Mount Driver. Set it as the default printer. Now let's specify the width of our film roll. The length can be set to 1, 2, or 3 meters. Then, we add an image. Next, configure the white ink channel. In this case, reduce it by 0.10 in all directions to avoid overlapping. Then, click on W2 to extend the varnish by 0.20. Finally, save the configuration as default. Now everything is ready for printing. To print, simply go to the RIP icon. In the driver settings, you can select profiles, adjust white ink, and varnish parameters. Once everything is checked, you're ready to print.